Okay, so shout out sa ating viewer na nag-request na legit na loan app naman yung reviewin natin. Kaya in this video, pag-usapan natin yung isang online loan platform na nagpapahiram from 1,000 pesos to 25,000 pesos. And registered po siya sa Securities and Exchange Commission. Medyo matagal na ako sa loan app na to. I can borrow up to 13,000 pesos. Pero 5,000 lang yung kinuha ko guys para matry ko siya kasi may update siya. And yung 5,000 na yan, kaagad ko naman natanggap. So, automatic mo siyang matatanggap kapag walang issue yung account mo. Especially kung good payer ka at hindi ka masyadong nag-advance. So, today, pag-usapan natin ulit tong si Cashalo. Yes. Again. Yes. Si Cashalo, nagkaroon siya ng update. Nag-iba yung itsura niya. So, malaki ba yung pagbabago? O naging okay ba? So, stick around and let's talk about Cashalo. Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel. It's Ate Red here. And in today's video, si Cashalo po yung topic natin. So, matagal na ako may Cashalo account and so far, hindi pa naman ako nare-reject guys. Nagkaroon ako ng issue which I invite you to watch my old video at para namin na-resolve yan. Right now, I can borrow up to 13,000 pesos dito kay Cashalo. Pero syempre, huwag mo naman sagalin. Yung pangangailangan mo lang naman is this much. Regardless, matatanggap mo siya in less than 5 minutes. Sometimes, nagkakaroon siya ng issue, pero very rare. Sinasabi niya naman that it could take up to 24 hours bago ma-receive yung loan. But if walang issue, kagad mo siyang matatanggap guys. So legit si Cashalo kasi registered po siya at hindi po siya makulit kasi nag-o-offer siya ng 45 days to pay na loan. So 45 days na yun, wala kang maririnig na calls or whatever. Tahimik lang siya. I think the week before your due date, text lang siya ng text na kung magte-text back ka, hindi siya makulit. Siguro tatawag siya 3 days before your due date pero okay lang naman kausapin mo, siya ng haharas. Anyway, so nagkaroon siya ng update kaya hindi na sana ako uutang ulit pero yun, sinilip ko yun para sa inyo guys. So ito si Cashalo, nada-download po siya sa Google Play Store at sa app. Mas maganda pag yung loan app is available sa both. Lumabas to, welcome to the new Cashalo app experience. O, naging modern. Anyway, so sabi niya, faster application process. Higher loan offers. Bakit may dollar sign? Ano ba yan? Sana peso. Smoother app experience. Okay. Simple lang naman yung hinihingi niya. Enter your existing app password, verify your mobile number, and apply for your loan. Okay, bago tayo mapunta doon, if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, subscribe kayo dito because here we talk about online loan platforms and what you can expect from them. Anything that comes with pag-uutang sa mga online loan apps. So when it comes to online loan apps, I'm your go-to guy. So make sure to hit that bell notification button para updated kayo sa mga updates ko. About online loan platform. So ito nga si Cashalo nga ngayon. If you haven't seen my old videos about Cashalo, may dinagdag akong playlist dyan sa description box. Mag-focus lang tayo sa update ni Cashalo ngayon, not sa step-by-step process ng pag-apply. Ito po yung mga IDs niya pala na tinatanggap. Pero kung gusto mo talaga yung step-by-step process sa pag-apply dito kay Cashalo and whatnot, you can go to this video. So, ayun nga, naghingi po siya ng update. Click continue and naghingi po siya ng password. And then click login at nagpadala po siya ng OTP sa aking registered mobile number. Lumabas yung bago niyang interface. I don't know, sabi niya up to 25,000 pesos daw, accept your loan in 2 minutes. So, for 5 minutes, naging 2 minutes, oy. And refer your friends. There now, yung mga ganun. Pero hindi ako nagre-refer ng utang sa mga friends ko, guys. Unless tinatanong talaga ako. So, napunta ako sa history to check if ito ba yung Cashalo na dating ginagamit. Ando naman yung history ng aking mga kautangan. It's the real deal. Pag-apply ko ng loan, lumabas yung aking mga registered disbursement accounts. And pwede ka magdagdag ng another disbursement account. Doon yung GCash. So, pinili ko yung si Maya ko and then i-choose mo kung yung purpose ng loan. Then, pa-slider-slider na siya ngayon guys. Kasi dati, tabs po siya. Pipiliin mo kung ano yung gusto mong amount na utangan. Eh, ngayon naman pa-slider-slider. Laking binago ha. Anyway, so yung dollar amount, naku Cashalo, ayusin nyo to. Nakaka-confuse yung dollar. Huwag naman ganito, nakakatakot. Yung amount na babayaran mo after 45 days. So, ayan, transparent siya. So, sa 13,000 pesos, syempre, magbabayad ka ng 16,472.82. Oh my, brutal. Sa March 9 or after 45 days. At 1,000 naman is 1,267.4. Ayan po, mga best. Because dun, sa fees ni Cashalo, kasama na dun, or 15% per month siya. And then, may service fee. Paano ba yun? Bakit ganun? Bakit may service fee? Insurance. At least somehow, mas better to kaysa kay OLP. Or sa kay Finbro, mas reasonable. Mahal siya, kaya dapat may nag-iisipan. Mahal siya, it's non-collateral, it's an online loan, madaling applyan, madaling matanggap. Pero mahal siya, but at least it's better than the other loan apps sa 35%. Ito, sa 6,000, 5,000 for example, after 45 days, kasi 15% per month siya you end up paying 6,335.7. Only borrow what you can pay. Yun lang yung talaga yung masasabi ko, guys. So, just click got it, and then mag-a-agree ka dun. Very transparent siya kasi i-explain yung insurance plan, which I really, ewan ko, hindi ko na, pikit mata na lang ako sa pa-insurance sila because I really don't know if it really benefits us. But, well, it is what it is. So, kailangan mo mag-scroll down to accept. And then, meron siyang loan agreement. And lahat ng fees, lahat ng anything you need to know about your loan is there. Promissory note kung saan nakalagay na effective monthly interest is 15%. And then, ito po yung mga fees niya, net proceeds. Buo siyang matatanggap. Something I like about Kasialo is buo siyang matatanggap. And 45 days to pay siya at hindi siya makulit. Tahimik siya. Meron po siyang penalty at yung consequences kung hindi ka makabayad, naka-state din doon. Kaya it's very transparent. And you accept it. And then, magpapadala po siya ng 4-digit code sa registered phone number mo if you wanna go for it. Kung gusto mo talagang i-take yung loan. And sabi niya, application is submitted. Keep your phone active after loan is approved. Magpapadala siya ng SMS. Remember to pay back loan Kasialo before the due date. So, ito po, sa 6,335.70, babayaran in 45 days. And then just click done. At yun nga guys, 2 minutes lang natanggap ko kaagad yung loan. Although nagsasabi siya na delays can happen and nag-a-announce naman si Kasialo. So kung hindi siya dumating agad, give it 24 hours. Magno-notify po si Kasialo. So hindi po siya nagkukulang sa mga paalala, but hindi po siya umaabot sa point na makulit na makulit. So far, okay naman yung experience ko kay Kasialo. Again, ito po yung mga IDs na tinatanggap ni Kasialo. Please be guided accordingly. And if you really want to see the step-by-step process sa pag-apply, you can check my old video. Ito po yung mga thumbnails. Ayan. The links are in the description box below. Links po ng step-by-step process, hindi affiliate links kasi wala po akong OLA na pinopromote. So this is a review which is based on my personal experience. I wasn't paid by Kasialo to do this. This video is not sponsored. Matagal lang po ako may Kasialo. May history kami. Dati ako na-reject because of a small issue. You can also watch that old video. So ito si Kasialo guys, and so far okay naman siya. But like any loan, obligation po kasi yan. Hindi po yan laro-laro lang na grab and then forget about it. May consequence po to at may effect po to sa ating credit history. At pag na-negatively affect yung ating credit history, baka mahirapan po tayo sa pag-utang sa mga online loan platforms in the future. At kung maganda yung ating credit history, it opens opportunities for us. So therefore, alagaan po natin yung ating credit history. Pag-isipan po natin kung saan tayo umuutang at kung saan natin sinasabit yung ating personal information. And kung gusto nyo masubukan si Kasialo, of course, dapat may heads up kayo. Check my old videos and make sure you're subscribed here. I'll see you on my next vlog. Bye!